Hello traders, welcome to my channel Bangalore Trader, and this is my first video coming straight to the point. What I have created this channel for, guys, you all know trading is like an ocean and institutions and professionals are like a shark in the ocean, and we and you as a retail investors are just like a small fish. And if we want to survive in this ocean, there is no way we can fight with the shark, survive, right? If you want to survive in this ocean, stay behind the shark, remain unnoticed, just follow it. Same as coming to trading. If you want to survive in this ocean, you need to identify a footprints in a pure price action chart. You need to identify a footprints of an institutions and professionals. Just follow them. Make sense? Guys, as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to unlock the step-by-step process to find hidden gem. Until then, I'm going to upload a very useful information for beginner traders. I'm sure you're going to subscribe this channel if this makes sense to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, trade safe.